Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have a WordPress website and you want to backup it for some reasons, in this video I am going to show you how you can backup your WordPress website for free. Here you can see I have a sample website. I just imported this template from starter templates and let's see what I have, and then I will backup and restore it on a blank site. Let's go to home page, and then here you can see this is our home page and how it looks like. And then you can go to other pages and see how they are looking. This is just a template I imported. Let's go to dashboard and see what we have there. Here in posts we have 6 posts. In pages we have also some pages that has been imported with the template. In themes we have Kadence theme active, and in plugins I have only Kadence blocks plugin active. Let's add a new plugin to create our backup. In this case I am going to use Updraft. There are also other plugins, but for this tutorial I am going to use Updraft Plus. Click on install. Once installed, click on activate. Once it's activated, then you can press here to start, or you can also go to settings, or here you can see in the left sidebar Updraft. You can go here on the plugin dashboard. Here you can see a couple of settings. You can modify them according to your needs. To create our first backup, you can create backup now and take a new backup. Here you have some options. Include your database in the backup, include your files in the backup. Yes, we want to include. And there is another option that says only allow this backup to be deleted manually, i.e. keep it even if retention limits are hit. It means that Updraft will keep your this backup until you manually delete this, and it will be in your WP content folder. So if you will delete it manually, it will be deleted, otherwise not. So let's click on backup, and it is creating our backup, creating files backup zip, and it says backup has finished running, which it means our backup has been created successfully. So here you can see our backup details, and here is the date and time at which it has been created, and these are the files that have been saved in the backup. And there are some actions. You can delete it here, or view the log, or restore your backup, and you can click on each file here so that you can download it to your computer. Here you can see these files are being prepared for download. Now as these has been prepared, so you can click here on download to your computer. I am going to download them so that I can restore, and we see how it looks like. I am going to download all. Here you can see I have downloaded all the backup files, and let's now perform a quick reset on the website and then restore this backup again to see if everything has been backuped properly or not. I am going to dashboard and performing a quick reset. I resetted the website, and here you can see we have a blank website, and in the dashboard we have nothing. I deleted the posts and also the sample pages, and there is nothing, no media files. And in appearance and themes I have 2025 theme as active. So now let's restore our backup. Go to plugins, and we have to install the same Updraft plugin. I already installed it. Let's activate and then press here to start. And here you have to upload your files. As you can see, I haven't deleted these files so that it automatically recognize those, but if you don't see this, let me delete here. You will see that there will be nothing. So to upload your backup files, you have to click here upload backup files, and then here you have to drop your files, or you can also click on select and select the file where you have saved them. I am going to drop here, and once they are uploaded, let's wait until all are uploaded. Here you can see that all the files have been uploaded successfully. So now you can see there is a button that says restore. Let's first again confirm that how our website looks now. And after restoring, click on restore. Then here you have to select the things that you want to restore. I am going to restore everything. Then again click on next. It will download the necessary things, and then now it is giving you some warning, but if you are sure, then you can click on restore, and then the restore process will start. Here it is verifying the imported database, and it will be restored. So it has been successfully restored. Then you can return to updraft configuration, and then here it asks you to log in with the credentials that you have in the backup. I logged in, so let's refresh our website and see if everything has been restored or not. So here you can see this is how our website was looking before, and everything has been backed properly. Let's see in the dashboard, go to post, and here we can see our 6 posts. In media there are media files, and in pages all the pages has been imported successfully, and in themes we can see our Kadence theme has been activated. In plugins our Kadence block plugin is activated. So this is how you can backup your WordPress website and then restore it for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, please share your thoughts in the comments, and I will make a video on your questions. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.